Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
We
Say
are going somewhere to an island.
We're on Long Island. We're driving around.
We're going to Port Jefferson. And we're going to show you the... Actually, we're going to compare traffic in Nairobi and then...
Compare traffic.
Hi, I'm Grace. This is Kevin. We are the stories.
We're comparing Kenyan and American culture to see what's different, but also what's similar. Today we're driving.
Well, he's driving along. This is true.
But this is a good time to mention that you're planning on getting your license here in America, right?
Yes.
Are you scared of that? Are you nervous?
I'm just scared of driving in Manhattan.
Oh.
On a highway, it's okay. And so we're going to show you how traffic looks like here.
Yeah. Currently, I am driving at 75 miles per hour.
What's 30 kilometers?
Are you ready?
Oh, 121 kilometers per hour. I think that's illegal in Kenya.
Oh?
Yeah.
Well, to be honest, if you tried to get that speed in Kenya, you'd probably wreck your car somehow.
Yeah, it's true.
Although maybe with the new superhighway, whatever they're calling it, maybe they'll allow higher speeds.
Yeah.
Grace, you are a bit of a car person, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm a little, come on.
I don't know what that means, but okay. So you've been talking about, because you want to get your own car.
Mm-hmm.
That's not this, right? I drive this. Oh, geez. Okay.
Whoa, what was that?
I don't know, but it's gone now. We have this old Toyota Prius that I've been driving around for about a year and a half now. It used to belong to my mom's partner, Jim, who, if you've seen the wedding videos, you've seen him. He's in that somewhere. So. But yeah, he essentially gave us this car. I mean, we paid for it, but Grace has these grand aspirations of owning something a little different. What about, is that a Volkswagen? What's that?
Oh, that looks good.
You like that?
Yeah.
So we're just looking at the cars, the different cars. I guess there's differences between the cars that you get there in Kenya and we have here in America, right? That's kind of what you were saying to me.
Yeah. In Kenya, we get mostly Japanese and European cars.
Mm.
American cars are very scarce, but they're that. So yeah. So I'm going to turn the camera and show you.
Oh, I thought you've been showing the whole time.
No, it wasn't you.
I guess I should, let me get out of this HOV lane so we can get a little more.
Yeah.
So that's a Cadillac, or a Buick. That's what it is, a Buick, sorry.
Buick? That's how you pronounce
Yeah,
it?
Buick. Buick?
Yeah,
Do you have those?
B-U-I-C-K, no. This is me, a Grace pronunciation.
Okay. We were seeing all these SUVs. Grace really wants an SUV.
Yeah, SUVs are what you call four-wheel drives in Kenya. So. Yeah, I think I like a raised car where you can see everything.
Well, there's one in front of us now. This is a Jeep.
Yeah.
So in front of us here, we've got a Jeep 4x4 Limited. What's that?
Something was going on across.
Oh, yeah. There's always something going on. This is the Long Island Expressway. Oh, that's an interesting car.
Yeah.
What is that? I can't even see read the back.
I think it's a Ford.
Oh, it is. It's a Bronco. A Bronco Sport. So Ford Broncos used to be these huge SUVs. They were kind of like the OG SUV.
OG?
Yeah.
What is OG mean?
They were made infamous by O.J. Simpson, who drove a white Bronco away from the murder of his wife, which he was acquitted of, but then later wrote a book called If I Did It.
Oh my God.
Not very good for his credibility, if you ask me.
There's a matatu ahead of us.
This is probably a work van, actually.
Well, there's a Tesla ahead of us.
Teslas are
I
about
don't really
it.
like Teslas.
I don't like the Teslas. No.
Why?
just I don't know, they're just weird, and I don't really like the guy who owns the company. So now, how about this? This Lexus over here.
This is a Harrier in Kenya. I was telling you.
It's a Harrier.
Harrier. It's called Harrier.
Oh. Yeah, you may have been telling me, but you didn't tell the people.
They can hear me.
No, right
Hopefully, you can hear me.
now. You may-
Lift your hand up if you can hear me.
No, you know what? Hit that like button if you can hear Grace. And you want to hear more of
Oh
her.
my god.
Let's encourage her to speak with a nice big voice. Let's see, we got a Toyota
So that's a
Highlander.
Yeah. I don't know if you have that in Kenya too.
There's another Jeep over there. Or is it an
Audi.
It's an Audi.
What you say Audi here?
Audi.
In the UK they say Audi.
Well, that's incorrect. It's a German car. Audi.
Yeah. When I was out for a minute
Yeah. There's another Highlander, another Lexus. Seeing a lot of Toyotas and Lexuses at the moment. There's an Infinity. I think is that an Infinity?
I think it's a Mazda.
Oh, it's a Mazda. Sorry, I'm having trouble catching. I think I have a blurry bit on my sunglasses, which I should probably take care of.
It's gonna be traffic. Tesla again.
Tesla's today. Oh yeah, that's much better. I should have cleaned these glasses before I put them on. Subaru.
What do they say about Subarus?
Subarus. We like Subarus here. I don't know. Apparently Subarus means something in Kenya.
Yeah, they do.
Let us know down in the comments below what a Subaru means to you. Or do you say? You don't say Subaru.
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 Oh, look at this guy.
We should have done this further. But oh yeah. So you're gonna get a lot of that in action. There's another was that a Hyundai? Hyundai Tucson. Tucson, spelled Tucson.
Tucson.
Tucson. There's a Honda CRV.
Yeah.
It's neat.
I think we have that in Kenya. I've seen it.
Okay.
How do you pronounce this car ahead?
Nissan.
Nissan.
There's
Another
two Nissans. A Nissan Rogue, all the way from California.
Yes.
They've come away.
And then the car on the right, I don't even know what that is.
That is a Lincoln.
Yeah, I've never seen this in Kenya.
Oh really?
And the one I like, a Mercedes. That.
There it is. There she is, the Mercedes, followed by a Ford Explorer. We can talk about Fords. Yeah, we do. There's a Chevy Transverse, I think, or something like that. Traverse. Following this Nissan Rogue.
Prius, that it's a station wagon.
Oh yeah. Prius.
Oh, Prius.
Prius. That's what it is, Prius.
So what's this is HRV2 only. What's a HRV thing?
2+. Well, you should tell me you're studying for your test.
Alright, let me tell the camera. Wait, is this a clean water truck?
This is I don't know what that is actually. I didn't really see any markings on it.
Ooh, look at that convertible. It's a BMW.
There's a produce truck. This is how stuff
From the
gets
Bronx.
moved around the country, basically. It gets shipped from here and there and everywhere. It goes through the port, and then they put it either onto a big train or they put it onto a big truck, and they move it around the country. It's kind of cool. This is what driving's like in America, or at least in New York, the underlying areas. So we're going to be taking a few weeks off from doing regular The Stories videos. We'll probably post some other stuff. We did find another part of our wedding video, so I'm going to edit that together and post it at some point. But we've also launched, I've launched another channel for all of my music and theater and performance stuff, because this channel seems to be now pretty strictly a Kenyan and American culture channel. So thanks for subscribing and being here. But if you're interested in that other stuff, go and check it out. The link is down below in the description. And I don't know if you noticed this, but Grace has started to post videos that are a little bit like this, where it's driving around and going through bridge. What? Why are you making that face? She's making a face. She's not showing herself, but she's making it. Maybe you can see her reflection in my glasses. Anyway, she started to post some videos too. So go and give her some love, subscribe, and see what she's doing over there. And maybe give her some suggestions for the kinds of content that you'd like to see from her. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends about us. And until next time, Kwaheri. Why are you so weird? You are.
While others may be rich of pocket, we are rich of heart.